This is me, Ataur Rahman, with class 10th Mathematics, Unit 1st, Quadratic Equation. Dear student, in this video, we will define quadratic equation and its solution with the help of factorization. So let us define quadratic equation. A quadratic equation is an equation of second degree. That is, this is an equation in which the exponent of the variable be at most 2. This definition means that it contains at least one term that is squared. The standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, in which this a is not equal to 0. That is, the coefficient of x square must not equal to 0. Otherwise, if a is equal to 0, this term ax square will vanish and the equation will not remain anymore a quadratic. That is, it will reduce to a linear equation bx plus c is equal to 0, whose solution we have discussed in the previous video. And a, b, c belongs to real numbers. That is, a, b and c are constants or numerical coefficients, where x is the unknown variable. Why quadratic equation is important? Because it gives us the position of the following at all time: when a ball is thrown into the air, when an arrow is shoot into the air, when a missile is launched into the air, or even when a stone is thrown into the air. It also shaped a parabolic mirror, reflecting telescope and satellite dishes. Lenses and curved mirrors are also studied under the umbrella of quadratic equation. So, quadratic equation. A quadratic expression must be isolated on one side of the equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c, and the other side must contain 0. Then it will be considered in the standard form. 0 is the expression, that is, one side of the expression is set equal to 0. Ax square is called the quadratic term. Quadratic term in when a is not equal to 0. The linear term is bx and c is the constant term. Now, we will discuss 3 ways to solve quadratic equation, but in this video, we confine ourselves to factorization, that is, solution of the quadratic equation with the help of factorization. Let us define what is factorization. Factorization: when an algebraic expression is split up into 2 or more of its components or factors, when multiplied gives the original expression is called factorization. For example, you factorize 6 into 2 parts, that is 2 into 3. When you multiply 2 by 3, it gives back what? 6. Similarly, if you multiply 2 and 4, it gives 8. So we say that 2 and 4 are the factors of 8. Now this is the quadratic expression, x square plus bx plus c. Now we want to factorize this. So to factorize this, we will split the coefficient of x, that is b, into 2 parts, that is b1 and b2, such that their sum or difference will equal to b, and their product, that is b1 multiplied by b2, must give the product of a and c. If such factors exist, we say that these are the factorization of the given quadratic expression. So let us solve this quadratic equation. 12x square plus 12x square is equal to x plus 1. As you see that this equation is not in the standard form. Let's put this in the standard form, that is 12x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we will split the coefficient of x, that is minus 1, into two parts such that their sum or difference will equal to minus 1 and their product will equal to minus 12. So clearly those factors are minus 4 and 3, because minus 4 plus 3 gives minus 1 and minus 4 multiplied by 3 gives minus 12. So we have factorized the given quadratic equation into 12x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now taking the common factors, we get 4x into 3x minus 1 plus 1 into 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. That is, again 3x minus 1 is a common factor, so we have 3x minus 1 into 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now how to solve this product? To solve this product, we use the property of real numbers, that is zero product property. This zero product property says that if you have two numbers or two expressions, that is a and b, if their product is equal to 0, then either a will equal to 0 or b is equal to 0, or both a, b is equal to 0. For example, if you multiply 3 with 0, the answer is 0. Because why? Because one of them is 0. Or if you multiply 0 with 4, 4 zeros are 0. So the answer is 0. Why? Because one of them is 0. Similarly, if you multiply 0 with 0, the answer is 0. So this is called the zero product property. Here we see that 3x minus 1 is one factor, 4x plus 1 is another factor, and their products comes out what? 0. So using this property, either 3x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now what are these? These are the linear equation whose solution we have discussed in the previous video. So how to solve these equation? First we will transfer the constant term from left to right in both the equation, and then we will divide both the equation by the coefficient of the variable, that is in first case by 3 and in the second by 4. So we obtain what? The roots of the quadratic equation. Now tabulating them in a solution set, we have the quadratic solution of the above equation. Now this is your turn, dears. You have to solve this worksheet and check yourself whether you have learned something or not. If you have learned, you can solve these equations easily, and then reply me in my comments box. Please do subscribe my channel, like it, and do not forget to press the bell. Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks.